Here's a scoop on the pre-quiz. The first one, number 1, is always going to be a thing that uses pressure as force divided by area. And area is going to be very tricky. It's either pi r squared if it's a circle, right? Or it's going to be length times width if it's a rectangle, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to have like a dodecahedron or something like that, right? And do we have sound? No, we do have sound. And in this case, on this problem, the only thing that's really terribly difficult is that I don't give you the radius, I give you the diameter, yeah? Okay, and then I give it to you in centimeters, yes? Okay, and so the centimeters, can you guys come back in like 5, yeah, can you? Yeah. They could go to another class and then, will you come back?
No, you should come back. I want to definitely come back.
Definitely come back. Okay, anyway, so you've got to go all the way through it. So divide what I give you by 100, and then you have to divide it in half, right? Yeah? Okay, and then number 2 is going to be a very well-behaved PV equals nRT. Okay, a very well-behaved PV equals nRT. The only thing I promised, though, if I gave you the temperature in kelvins, I feel like I would let you down, right? And so don't be a nilly and use the 87.2. It's going to be 87.2 plus 273.15. If you're grading someone's skill set and they use Celsius, okay, you have my authorization to go just really piss them off, okay? So that it soaks in. And then number 3 is a very naughty ideal gas law problem. You're going to have to do things, the pressure's not right, the volume's not right, N isn't calculated for you. R is your only thing that is just easy. That's 8.31, right? This guy's 8.31. Okay, and then T is the answer to the question, right? What is the temperature? But I don't ask it in kelvins, I ask it in Celsius. So when you get the temperature, you're going to have to subtract 273 to get the answer that I have. Yeah? Okay, so it's going to be the answer, I don't know, you have to figure that out, right? So degrees Celsius is kelvins minus 273.15, right? So remember, N is grams divided by molar mass. Volume is going to be liters over litre over 1,000, right? What do we have to do with gauge? Can we use gauge pressure? Can we? No, because that's not the real pressure. That's just how much more than atmospheric it is, right? So you're going to have to add an atmosphere. It's the gauge pressure plus an atmosphere. And I'm throwing all of these curveballs at you, not fewer than 4. Yeah, so that's number 3. Number 4 is a PV over NT equals PV over NT. Not much to it. But 5 is a naughty PV over NT problem. Now, on those types of problems, can you use gauge pressure? Can you? No. Can you use degrees Celsius? No. Can you use that 1.13 was released and use the 1.13? No, you got to use what it is, right? So you can't use the 1.13. Can't use the 3.42. By saying can't use it, obviously you have to use it, but you can use that guy. You can't use the 145, right? You can't use those numbers directly. You got to do something with them. Yeah? Just warning you. Is that good enough warning? I'll come around and stamp homework and I'll take attendance.